Hello, Brett by the Service Guy here from Williams Heating and Cooling in beautiful downtown Elsie. Hey, have you ever wrestled with a 2200 or a 2400 Spaceguard, changing that media, getting all the combs in right, messing with all that stuff? Well, I got great news for you. April Air now has the 2410, the 1610, and the 2210. The 2410 and the 610 takes a number 413 replacement media, and the 2210 takes the 213 media. Pretty simple to change out for those people that have never done it. And if you've done the old ones and spent an hour doing it, you know, that just sucked. But these new ones, they're awesome. So basically, you take the old filter out, you come to your 2410, you pop the cover off, the media's inside, it just slides out, discard the old one. You open up your OEM 413 package from April Air. Pull out of the package, keep the package so you can put the old one back in it and throw it away. Keep the dust down. But on it, it tells you which way the airflow is, and that goes towards the furnace. So when you pull this out, it just, voila, you're done, piece of cake. There's two rails, there's one at the top, there's one at the bottom. See how easy that is? Piece of cake, just like I said, except for you got the media stuck in it. Slide it in, put your cover back on. Viola, you're all done. Brett by the Service Guy here from Williams Heating and Cooling in beautiful downtown Elsie. If you have the 2410 or the 1610 that we installed, we do have the media here at the shop to purchase, or when you do your annual maintenance, we could be there to replace it for you when we come out. Thank you.